create a checkbox code. Hello. Right here, the requirement is I want to develop a web page. The web page will have one checkbox and two buttons. First button is check. Second button is uncheck. First button is check and second button is uncheck. Okay, and this is called BTN check. And this button ID is BTN uncheck. So totally two buttons. My requirement is whenever user will click this button, the checkbox should be checked. Whenever the checkbox ID is checkbox 1. The checkbox ID is checkbox 1. My requirement is whenever user will click this first button, the checkbox should be checked. Whenever user will click this second checkbox, the checkbox should be unchecked. Did you understand? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. See, that means the checkbox should be checked or unchecked in design time or run time.
Runtime.
On demand, right? On demand is what? When you click the first button, it should be checked. When you click the second button, it should be unchecked. The idea of the checkbox is checkbox 1. Okay. So, did you remember what is the property to check or uncheck of the checkbox?
Unclick.
No. My question is, checkbox checked or unchecked, one property is there. Remember? Checkbox checked or unchecked, one property is there. Checked property. Checked equal to true, checked equal to false. Didn't I discuss with you this property?
It's a Boolean property.
Yeah, Boolean property. Checked equal to true means the consent checkbox will be checked.
True.
Equal to false means the consent checkbox will be unchecked. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Can you? Can you do it? First of all, did you remember how to create a checkbox? Hello, 1 minute.
Yes, sir.
Are you there, guys? Nobody can respond. Do you remember the property, checked property? Did we discuss on the day
Yes, sir.
at the time of HTML when I was creating a checkbox? I've shown you this property. I've shown you checked equal to true, checked by default it is false. This is a common property for both controls, radio button and checkbox. Yeah, you try this otherwise.
Yes, sir.
All of you guys. Again I am explaining. You have a web page. Here you have a checkbox control. The ID of the checkbox is checkbox 1. The ID of checkbox is checkbox 1. Checkbox 1. Right. And here you have a button. First button is check. First button is check. And you have another button called uncheck. Uncheck. Uncheck is the second button. Totally two buttons. First button ID is btn check, and the second button ID is btn uncheck. Second button ID is btn uncheck. Whenever you click the first button, the checkbox should be checked. Whenever user click the second button, the checkbox should be unchecked. Come on, write the code. Right. Mute yourself, guys. Yeah, over. Got it, all of you? Right. The requirement is first you have to create how many controls total? Hello. How many controls?
Three.
Three controls.
Three.
Yeah.
Three.
Coming to body, create controls. First control is what? Checkbox, right? First control is what?
Checkbox.
Checkbox. How to create checkbox?
Yes, sir.
How to create
Checkbox. Checkbox.
type equal to
Input ID equals to checkbox ID equals to checkbox one. Checkbox.
checkbox 1, right? ID equal to checkbox 1. Next. Right.
Input type equal to button.
Yeah, button also will be in the same line, right? Right. Input type equal to
Yes, sir.
button ID equal to BTN.
ID equal to BTN check. Check. Value equal to check.
Next, input type equal to button ID.
On click. Okay.
Okay. For button we need to write on click, right? Yes.
Button.
On click.
ID equal to BTN uncheck.
On click equal to
Yes. On click.
F1.
F1.
Same code you can create to create second button. BTN uncheck. Value equal to uncheck. On click equal to F2. On click equal to F2. Okay. So you need one function or two functions? Two functions. These two functions we should write within the head section because it is on-demand scripting. Script
Two functions.
language equal to JavaScript script.
We have a lapse. We have lapse in the screen.
Sorry?
There is a lapse in the screen. We cannot see it immediately.
No. Now screen is not visible immediately, not responding. Hello? Hello? Are you getting my voice properly?
There is a lag in the screen, sir. I
Voices?
don't know if it is with me or
No, guys. Voice is...
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
No, it's coming slowly.
Voice is fine, but the screen comes after a few seconds.
Okay. Right.
Screen is coming so slowly, but the voice is fine.
Okay. We'll see. Yeah. Now are you getting my voice? Hello? No, are you getting? Girish?
Yes, sir.
Now voice, now screen, you check the screen now. Screen and voice.
Yes, sir.
You see? Now there are how many functions I defined here in JavaScript? How many functions? 2 functions.
Yeah, it's okay.
Now still
It's fine now.
problem is there.
Two functions.
Two functions.
Still problem is there. Voice wise or screen wise.
Two
functions.
functions.
Yeah, first one F1. Yeah, F1 will invoke when Madhuri, F1 will invoke when
Voice is breaking.
oh voice is breaking. F1 will invoke when
Voice is
Voice is breaking, sir.
1 minute. 1 minute. Yeah.
Sir, your voice is breaking, sir.
Yeah, we better
Voice is
1 minute.
breaking.
All of you guys, we better to relog in. That is a better one. Whenever we have a problem, everything will resolve. I'm just sign off. You also get maybe log off. All of you guys again relog in. Okay. Ravi, yeah.